morning with Leslie Chong from Imugene. Leslie, good morning. Happy New Year.
Hi, Andrew. Happy New Year's to you too. Also, happy Lunar New Year and New Year's proper.
And kicking off the new year with a bang, Leslie, you've of course had this presentation at the recent JP Morgan Healthcare Conference. Tell us a little bit about it.
It was incredibly intimidating, I have to say, to be in the likes of big pharma as well as big biotech companies side by side presenting. It was just an honor and a pleasure to be presenting on all the activities of Imugene.
And also featured, Leslie, at the recent ASCO Gastrointestinal Cancer Symposium.
Yes, so HERVAX had an oral presentation, our Horizon study. This is the phase 2 frontline gastric study. We were able to showcase a little bit more of the responses. Our hazard ratio even got better. We had nice little waterfall, meaning showing decreases in tumor. So from what the team tells me that were on the ground, that HERVAX was the star. So we had an oral presentation, lots of people in the room. And then we also had a next horizon, which is that combination with pembrolizumab. We had a poster presentation of that. And in addition to this, CF33, our oncolytic virus, had two poster presentation where they got to speak with lots of different gastric oncologists to pharmaceutical companies. So it was a jam-packed. We were the star. Imugene was the headline at the ASCO GI this year.
You certainly had a busy couple of weeks here, Leslie. So what are you working on currently? What news is coming up?
So so we've got combo studies or combo about to start for our vaccinia. This is the CF33 that has the tracker HNS in it, that has been dose escalating quite nicely, not only intratumorally, but intravenously. And then we'll jump right into a combination in various different solid tumors. So the team is just getting amped up and getting the sites all ready for this very important combination, and as well as the intravenous regimen. And then we also have a combination with PD-1 vax and Tecentriq or atezolizumab in non-small cell lung cancer. So that combo is coming up. And on Oncarlytics, this is a CF33 that expresses a protein CD19, and you add a CD19 directed target to it, and it obliterates solid tumor. So that is just at the footsteps of getting FDA IND so we can start studies in patients. So yeah, lots of things. The team and I are quite busy at the moment trying to get all these lined up and ready.
Do you reckon, Leslie, 2023 is going to be a more positive year for the biotech and pharma space?
Well, so I'm an optimistic person, and I have to be in this space. And what I saw at JP Morgan, there's a lot of new cancer therapies, but I think we are going to be exceptional because we've got something new to offer. Our oncolytic viral therapy is first in class, if not best in class. So I think that's going to be really shining. And then we've got PD-1 vax coming up, and then all the various different HER-vax combinations. So I think we're differentiated enough, and obviously we have enough money in the bank to actually realize on all our proof of concept goals. So we have the money to weather the storm, but I think we're always going to need biotech, and so I think biotech will come up in the world in 2023.
Good to speak this morning, Leslie. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Andrew.